Hello everyone. In our last video of citizenship, we have completed our explanation. Now we will see the exercise question answers. Here in this the first question, first bit it is answer the following question. In that the first question, what is citizenship? Answer for that, citizenship means legally recognized status of a member of a country is called as citizenship. Means when you are legally identified as a member of that country or a nation, that time it is called as citizenship. Now the second question is list out the features of citizenship. Features means characteristic. Here you have to tell. In that the first point answer, an individual identifies himself as a citizen of a particular country through his citizenship. Means when you are having a citizenship, you are identified as a member of a particular country. Next, here citizens can enjoy all the rights given by the nation. Unless and until you are not having citizenship, you cannot enjoy the rights given by a nation or the constitution. Third point, citizens should discharge his duties fixed by the nation. Here they are discharging their duties. Citizenship binds citizens to live accordance with the law of the land. When citizenships are required, that time you have to follow the rules and regulations and law of the particular nation or a country. Citizens get power to hold position from the highest to the least. They can do any job and they can get the highest position and least position depending on their power. Foreigners are deprived of political rights. Here in the last point, whereas citizens are given political rights, right to vote and everything, every right they are getting, where the foreigners are deprived or they are stay away from this political right. These are the basic features or characteristic of citizenship. Now we will see the third question here. Describe the method to acquire citizenship. Three important methods are there. Firstly, citizen can acquire the citizenship of a nation through the following method. The first method is by birth. Any person who take birth in any country, she acquire the citizenship of that country naturally. Without considering the nationality of her parents, the citizen is guaranteed. Therefore, birth is an important factor in getting citizenship is granted. Therefore, birth is an important factor in getting the, for example, here the people who born after 26 January 1950 had become the citizen of India. The reason being was that free India enforced its own constitution. Here the by birth means when you take birth in a particular nation, that time you are considered as a citizen of that nation. Next, here we are having the second method to acquire citizenship, that is by inheritance. In this method, an individual gets the citizenship on the basis of nationality of his or parents. For example, those who are born after 26 January 1950 to Indian families staying outside our country can get the citizenship of India. Inheritance means individual are getting on the basis of parents' nationality. That is second method. Now the third method is by registration. Citizenship of any country can be taken by way of submission of prescribed application from the concerned office. Every individual impose certain condition for the submission of application by an individual. Here by registration or by giving application you can get the citizenship. For example, those who are residing in India for a minimum of 5 years can get citizenship by way of registration. The last method it is by incorporation. By incorporation of any country geographically with another, the citizen of the incorporated country can be acquired. Generally, a country gets incorporated by way of war or voluntary with another. Even on such occasions, the citizenship of the country to which incorporated is given. This is the fourth method. Now next we will see the fourth question here. Mention the incidents of losing citizenship. Means when one person can lose citizenship, here by renunciation, by termination and by deprivation. With this we have completed the first bit. Now second bit it is answer the following in detail. First question here, why citizenship is needed? Answer, the citizenship is necessary in the nation where one lives to live with dignity, to participate in the nation administration, to lead a better life and to establish convenient administrative setup. The citizenship is important from the perspective of nation's integrity and unity. here you can live with the dignity and you can participate in the administration, and as well as you can helpful for the building of better unity and integrity among this nation. For this reason citizenship is required. Now the second question here, make a list of losses one has to undergo due to the loss of citizenship. Answer for this, loss of citizenship deprives of individual of dignified life, and individual will lose all his rights given by the nation. He will lose his rights to participate in the nation's administration. Here with this we have completed the exercise bit first and second. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.